Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a Saturday morning here and we were craving for moi moi, so I decided to make some moi moi. Yes, and I'm going to be using the black-eyed beans. Yes, this is what I use for my moi moi most of the time and my akara too. And the beans has been peeled. I have a video showing how I peel beans, how I peel my beans for moi moi or akara. I'll be putting it in the description box. Yes, and I'm going to be using onion, sweet pepper, some crayfish. I love crayfish in my moi moi, so I do put a lot, and some scotch bonnet. Yes, and I'm going to be blending everything into a smooth paste to get a very smooth paste before we start wrapping our moi moi. And I'm going to be using the leaves for the moi moi. Using leaves for moi moi gives it a different and delicious taste. I don't know how to explain it, but it makes the moi moi really delicious. It takes it to another level. And that I love about using leaves in moi moi. Of course, you can use cups any way you want. It's delicious too. Agreed? Yes. But I prefer the leaves. Though it's hard for us here to get leaves, but I always prefer using the leaves. Yes, so this is my smooth paste. I'm going to be stirring it together and I'm going to be using vegetable oil. You can use palm oil too if you want. It goes really well too. And I'm just going to be adding some stock cubes, some salt. Yes. And these are my fish. I've deboned it. I used mackerel fish. I deboned it and I cooked first and deboned before pouring it in my moi moi. Yes. So now here comes the hard part. I'm not an expert in this, so I always do it the way I can and make sure it doesn't pour out, because when everything pours out, then your whole work is a waste. Yes, so I try to wrap it this way. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I just really try to wrap it the way everything doesn't pour out. Yes, then I start pouring my moi moi inside. And I'm going to be adding some eggs too. You can decide to skip it if you want. You can put all kinds of things in your moi moi. You can put corned beef, you can put eggs. Yes, you can put sardines too. But today I'm just using eggs and my mackerel fish already cooked and deboned that is inside. And yes, I'm just going to be pouring everything together and wrap. And I already have water on the stove. Yes, my water is already boiling. You want to start with a boiling water already. On the pot, I just have foil paper at the bottom so that my leaf doesn't stick, the moi moi leaf doesn't stick to the pot. And when it gets burnt, it pours out. So I just put my foil paper at the bottom. If you have enough leaves, you can put leaves at the bottom first before start putting your moi moi inside the pot. So yes, I'm just going to be covering it with a foil paper again. And I did cook for about 50 minutes and our moi moi was ready. And when I opened the foil paper, the aroma was, oh, I don't know how to explain it. And yeah, those of you that have used leaves for moi moi will understand what I'm saying. Do let me know. Do you like using leaves for your moi moi? Do you prefer the taste? Let me know the taste you prefer. Yes, and now our moi moi is ready. I'm just going to be opening it for you to see the delicious moi moi and mouth-watering moi moi we made. Yes. And thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Do share my videos and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you all. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.